What's going on, everybody? Dustin with Black and Gold Pressure Washing. We just pulled up to our job. It's not this house, it's the next one. We're going to be cleaning the debris off of the roof. We're going to be washing the house, and then we're going to be cleaning the driveway and sidewalks. So I'm about to strap y'all in and let's get going. That way we stay out of everybody's way. Hello.
How are you?
I'm going to move all the hose out of your way. I couldn't park there because they're all in the way. Yeah, basically we'll pull the hose and keep it in the street. Because, like, what can you do? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to be as accommodating to everybody as I can. See, I cleaned all this with y'all, honestly, not even really a year ago. So what we're gonna do with this is probably just post treat it. No need to have a surface cleaner on this. Whatever. That. Okay. Now the water's connected. Let's get some photos real quick. Let's take it from here. Up here. Same with over here. Okay. So we need to do our ladder. I need to put boots on. Let's get this ladder in. Okay, let's get all this off of these hoses. Okay. So we have this job, and then we got one more today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get up here. We'll get some photos up here too. Let's get a good photo of this real quick. While we're up here. Let's see if we can do it all at once. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Sorry. I tried to send y'all a couple texts throughout the week, but
I got your text.
Okay.
You were coming.
Yeah.
But I didn't
Yeah, I'm stomping around and shoving stuff off the roof.
I was like, oh my God, is somebody gonna fall through my
No. Sorry. They don't want me to clean it. They just want me to get the debris off. So, and I'll clean up all this when I'm done. So,
Okay, thank you.
sorry about that. I didn't mean to scare you.
You were so good.
Okay. So let's get a photo up here. Much better. Okay. Let's get off of this roof. Okay. What should I need back up here? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. Yeah, let me know how much y'all would have charged for that, because I'm still debating on my price. It wasn't a roof wash, but we did have to get on the roof. I'm thinking 50 to 100 bucks. Haven't set a price yet, but somewhere around there. Be curious to know where y'all are at. turn this chemical on, and then we got the tank full already, so we're good on that. I'm gonna turn this on to start getting product on. Okay, the pressure washer's coming on at, I'll tell you what time here, 11:41. Okay, so we got the driveway rinsed down. That'll be good for when we gotta post treat it. Okay guys, so let's draw some product here. So we'll do this one, then we'll rinse off this other side. And just keep doing it like that. 2 and 2 is how I like to do it. I feel I can even see what I'm doing up here. guys, we're almost done. We just have to post street this back area, take some photos, pack up, and then get some photos of that back area. Okay, let's charge in. Get a couple photos and then finish packing up. See, we didn't even have the surface clean and we got the same results. Like I said, we had just cleaned this place like not even 7 months ago. So didn't want to lay a surface cleaner on it again, but they wanted it cleaned again. So that's what we did. Nice, that big drip that was coming down is gone. There's one thing I was kind of iffy about. Okay, let's get one from down the driveway. Side of the house. Already got the roof. Let's take a picture of this fence because I did that for them as well. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's wash our hands and I'll give you all a quick tour and then we'll sign out of here and be done. Whew. We are exhausted, boys. We took care of the driveway, we took care of the debris that was on the roof, we cleaned the back patio, and then we also took care of the house itself. So if you're interested in that full process, you probably just checked it out here. I really appreciate you joining. It's hot as balls here in Florida. I think it's like 90 something degrees. Our throttle's still a little iffy on the pressure washer. I still got to figure that out, but we were able to get this job done and we have one more job that we need to go handle. So I'm putting this cone away and then we are gonna ride out to the next job. I'm exhausted now. and we have one more job to do today, so I'm gonna sign out of here. I appreciate everybody joining, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch me on the next job, everybody. Peace.